Hi friends, and welcome back to my kitchen. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make tequila sunrise. Well, this is one of my favorite cocktails. It's very simple, very easy to make. If you want to know how I make this cocktail, stay tuned and watch me.
What about a 100-pound ballerina that's been speeding for 3 days?
Just open the door and let her pirouette out in the street?
Well, these are just some of the tasks you'll be asked to perform, young Flanagan. This is the Upper East Side, the saloon capital of the world. The big time. Are you ready for the big time, young Mr. Flanagan?
I think I can handle it.
I have here tequila, about 60 mils. And 20 mils of orange juice. Ice cubes. Now let's give it a shake for 10 seconds. I have 2 glasses here. I'm gonna add a little bit of grenadine, about 7 mils. Now I'm gonna fill the glass with ice cubes. Now let's see what's happening. Now I'm gonna mix it a little bit because I want to make a little bit of sunrise effect. And for the garnish I'm gonna cut an orange. And there you have it, the tequila sunrise. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the like button and share this video with your friends. I'll see you next time. Cheers!